Good morning, students. Now we discuss about human excretory system. Excretion is the removal of nitrogenous waste that is excreted through urethra. Before it passes through urethra, it passes through three more organs. So it involves four organs. Like first is kidney that produce urine. Second is ureter, which transfer the urine to the urine bladder. Third is urine bladder, which temporarily store urine. And last is urethra, which passes the urine. So all waste products get collected first in kidneys. These kidneys are located in the abdomen, one of either side of the backbone. Now urine is produced, then it transferred through ureters and collected in the urine bladder, and the bladder release it through urethra. So removal of urine is very important as it contains nitrogenous waste like uric acid, urea and many harmful salts. Now kidneys has many blood rich capillaries. Capillaries means very thin blood tube like structure which carry blood, and these capillaries are called nephron. So here is the picture of nephron. Nephron has Bowman's capsule here. Bowman capsule help in reabsorption. Means whatever the waste material reached to kidney is reabsorbed there. Like glucose, essential minerals, by chance comes with the waste material. So the waste material first absorbed in Bowman's capsule, and the nutrients or minerals go back to our body from this capillary, and the waste product is further moved from here to downward, and further filtration occurs by different loops, and the nutrients or minerals are absorbed slowly, and finally the waste product comes from here to and collected in collecting duct. Finally, the urine moves through the ureter and collect in the urinary bladder till throughout of the body, and then it pass through the urethra and urinary opening. Now the excretion is also takes place in plants, but it is not so complicated as in human beings. So excretion in plant. Excretion in plants takes place by different ways, like excretion of oxygen is take place by the process of photosynthesis, as oxygen is the waste product for plants which is very essential for human beings or living beings. So it is done by the stomatal pores which are present in leaves, which help in the exchange of gases. So from stomatal pores they release the waste product oxygen. So this is the way of excretion. In some plants, when the waste product is accumulated in the leaves, then the leaves get detached from the plant. Like you see that in autumn season, most of the leaves detached from the plant. It is the way of excretion. In this picture you can see that this is also the way of excretion of excess water, or the waste product is come on the surface of the leaf in this way. So there are different methods in plants of excretion, from their roots, from their bark, from their leaves. Like in bark, you can see that the sticky and gummy material coming outside from the bark of the tree. This is the waste product of the plant. Similarly, you can see in this picture that some milky material is coming outside from the bark. As you already observed that when you pluck out the leaf from some plants, some milky white colored material liquid comes down. So these are the waste products of plants. This white material is used in the formation of rubber. Some plants also excrete through their root also. So there are the different ways through which plants excrete. So now your chapter is completed by following all the processes. First nutrition, then respiration, transpiration, and finally excretion. Have a nice day.